today I'm showing you something really cool. Here you can see a 3D printed resistor socket that makes life so much easier for any electronics hobbyist. Ever had this problem? You plug your resistors into the breadboard and bam, everything bends. It's frustrating when resistor legs just won't stay straight. Resistor legs end up crooked and wonky. These awesome 3D printed sockets make everything simpler, more beautiful, and above all, safer. Simply print out the sockets, grab your multimeter, and carefully measure the resistors to ensure a perfect fit. Precision is key to getting everything just right. But now, that's all about to change. Say goodbye to crooked resistors and messy prototypes. Insert the resistors into the small holes of the socket. It requires a bit of finesse, but don't worry. With a little practice, you'll nail it. Tighten the resistor legs slightly so everything stays snug and secure. Now for the finishing touch. Trim the long legs of the resistors so nothing protrudes, keeping your circuit neat and tidy. This keeps your circuit stable and well organized. For added security, apply a few drops of UV glue to the resistor. Then, expose it to some UV light and voila! Little UV light on it, and now nothing should slip. Everything is rock solid and nothing budges. This keeps your circuit stable and looking clean. Insert your finished resistor sockets into the breadboard and admire your work. Doesn't it look great? And it's so practical and tidy. Make more of these and have a blast prototyping. There are smaller sockets too, if you need more slots on your breadboard. This allows for even more flexibility and optimization in your circuits. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on new videos. Until next time, help me growing and subscribe.